Today, we're going to take a look at the Profile Settings section within the Systems Accelerator Manager. To access this section, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and select Profile Settings to be redirected. Once in this section, you will notice a completion bar that indicates progress in filling out the information requested. It's important to note that the information in this section is used to inform and personalize the content generated by the system. Because of this, I recommend filling it out completely and keeping the information up to date with regular review of this section to ensure accuracy. The first section is the company section. In this section, you will fill out company-specific information such as name, address, phone, email, website, and additional information you wish to provide. The additional information section can include things that you feel would be important for the system to know about your company specifically, such as core values, mission statements, beliefs, philosophies, or specific areas of expertise within real estate. A good rule of thumb here is if it's found on your company website, it could be included in this area. Next, we will look at the broker section. In this section, you can fill out broker-specific information that might have been omitted from the company section, such as broker name, license, phone, email, as well as broker-specific information that might not have been a good fit in the company section. This could include things like broker philosophies, missions, pillars of business, or specific areas within real estate the broker focuses. Again, a good rule of thumb is if it's found on the broker's website, it could be included in the additional information area. The final section is the team section. Within this section, you're able to add, edit, update, or delete team member profiles. Let's start by adding a new team member. Click on the blue Add Team Member button to create a new team member. From here, fill out member name, role, address, email, phone, website, agent ID, as well as niches or areas of expertise within real estate. Within the niches section, if an agent has multiple niches, separate each of these niches with a comma to ensure the system understands the differentiation. After this, agents can choose from a series of pre-filled attributes of traits that are embodied in their writing styles. We call these member voices. Choose as many or as few as apply to you and your own personality within your writing style. Once done, members can fill out information about the service area or areas in which they work. Similar to the niches section, if you have multiple, please separate them with a comma so that the system understands the differentiation. Once done, you can finish by applying additional information for the specific member, such as likes, dislikes, hobbies, fun facts, about me sections, or profile sections that could be found on an individual team member's website. The system will automatically save information filled out, meaning once a profile is completely filled out, you can return to the top of the team section and all of this information will be saved automatically. If an account needs to remove a team member, simply click the trash can on the right-hand side and select the OK button to be deleted. It's worth noting, once deleted, this action cannot be undone and a new profile will need to be created to regain that team member. From here, continue to add and update information as needed, and you will be well on your way to maximizing the power of SAM to create highly tuned systems and resources for yourself, your team, your brokerage, and your company. Thanks for watching. Let's make something exceptional together, and let's do it with SAM.